How to change language in OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change the language of this OneXpert app, you need to go to the app settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner over here. Next up, select the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and in this app settings section, you can see this language option. Tap on it. Now from here, you can select your preferred language for the app. There are a list of languages that you can select from. You can select the language which you want to change it to. After you select your preferred language, it will ask you for the restart of this app. After you restart the app, the changes will be now applied. So that's how you can easily change your language in OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.